The need of boosting up the manufacturing industry in multiple sectors, like the automobile, agriculture, electronics, medical products, home goods, precision fabrication, renewable energy, and strategic arena require a strong basic tools and design. The industries need to consolidate the experience of so far for use modern technology to strengthen itself. Very rarely, the experience documented for many reasons and transfer to young people who are in the academic. I would urge you, your association, to take up this venture by way of bringing up several publications and the books. After deliberation today and tomorrow, you may finalize at least 10 publications in different sectors that will come up in the matter of years. I'd be happy to see your plan. You may also interact with engineering technical training institutions throughout India to revise their syllabus for this area and also include real-life experience. Computers, CNC machines, 5-axis systems, virtual reality techniques, and 3D printing have revolutionized the manufacturing sector. And we have a lot of impact and jigsaw pictures and diagrams and tools. It will be a great service when SMEs are upgraded with the new technology that can impact the sector in this sector. There is also need for you to bring up the administrators aware of the US Congressional Research Service paper in last year, 2013, with the title, The Tool and Die Industry. They brought up the paper, The Tool and Die Industry, Contribution to US Manufacturing and Federal Policy Consideration. It's a very important document for that country. You have to think of such a document for us. The recovery of Indian economy requires innovation in Indian manufacturing sector. It has to focus on creative products for the 600,000 villages of the country where 700 million people live. And these products in a mass scale would require out-of-box thinking from your profession. We have so many engineering colleges. I understand that many graduates are not employable. They take many other jobs. We cannot allow this to happen, particularly when we need them in their profession for our national vision. You have a role to correct the situation in the mechanical and manufacturing sector. Now I would like to go out of your way. I have developed what is called law that given me, but I have developed a principle. I want you to share, I want this to share with you. The last few years, I have been studying the development patterns and the dynamics of the connectivity between nations, especially in trade and business. As long as the world has few developed countries with a powerful number, as you know, the world has few developed countries and many developed countries. What is the dynamics between them? What connects them? That's the question I ask. Answer is, a developed country has to produce and market its products in a competitive way to different countries to remain developed countries apart from meeting the national needs. You follow? Now, a country like India, that for the developing countries to get transformed into a developed country, they have to market their products to other countries in a competitive way. This is your way. Now, what is common between the developed country is an already developed country And the development country like India, not that commonality, that's competitiveness. Competitiveness is a common driving factor between the two types of nations, developed and developed. Competitiveness has three dimensions. You are familiar? First one, quality of the product. The second one, cost effectiveness. And third one, product is in the market just in time. You are doing feature, assembly feature, everything just in time, then needed, it's to be made available. Indeed, these dynamics of competitiveness in marketing a product by development is the law of the development. There's a relationship between the core competence and the competitiveness of the country. Such a law applies to individual companies as well, which apply to your company also. A nation can be competitive only if its products and systems are produced competitively in an environment which is inherently competitive for reasons such as, for example, the infrastructure can be easily developed and skilled human resource locally available. Competition is powered by technology. Competition comes to your company. How? Competitiveness is powered by technology. With this background, I would like to share certain experiences from one of our national programs, the Light Compact aircraft, which is the most competitive aircraft in cost and performance. I was watching that. First time using in the world, higher percentage of composite product, composite material, is a modern fighter aircraft of Mark II. The Light Compact aircraft program has demonstrated that Indian capacities in many areas like aircraft design, advanced composites, fly-by-wire control system, safety system, quality protocol, and operational standards. Multiple state-of-the-art technologies got developed during the process. The computational fluid dynamics emerged as a core strength for India with advanced software code and supercomputing capacity to optimize configurations for the aircraft. LCA and the launch vehicles, rockets were launch vehicles to rocket, with the LCA and launch vehicles with the leadership emanating from DRDL and ADA in partnership with the education institutions, CAD and CAM has become a critical tool in aerospace system design and manufacturing. In addition, ADA has established a unique software capacity for virtual reality, which reduces the design and product realization and time for 40%. ADA has been a pioneer use of technologies like CAD-CAM, digital workflow, and virtual reality. Now, one point I want to communicate to you, how computer-aided design and engineering the environment what you are. In today's world, computer-aided design and engineering are the backbone of any new product. Even a product improvement needs number of computer-aided tool sets. In the last 1.5 decades, significant development have taken place in the computer-aided design, engineering tools, and have revolutionized development and realization of product as a complex as an aircraft. The LCA program pioneered application even developed a computer design and engineering tools. These tools and techniques have helped in realizing an optimal design and enable the manufacture and the assembly of complex components, both mechanical and operations. Therefore, using PR tools, the assembly and integration procedures, step-by-step procedure for accessibility and maintainability are also tested and optimized. Yoga ask yourself, in such a situation, JIT features a tool where it leads us. Where design and manufacturing teams cannot visualize, the VR lab, virtual reality lab, and the teams can touch and trace the hydraulic and the electrical circuit, make well ahead required design and manufacturing. Friends, next one I thought of discussing before what is called automated software and design. Another important contribution of the life of the APRA program was development of computer-aided design, analysis, and manufacturing of advanced composite parts. The automated software developed by APRA is the first software available which can be applied commencing with the concept design, detailed design analysis, manufacturing, and quality control. This software has been used extensively by many other countries also. During the period 1987-2000, ACA program transformed itself into an exporter of software. Now friends, the other software, there are many types of software that we developed, and if you see the website, you will see the full lecture. Part of it I am talking to you now. Now friends, I would like to say that as far as you are concerned, the product life cycle management is very important. ADA and HAL have automated the design to manufacture life cycle products with the extensive usage of digital documentation and process using product. Now, the PLM tools which enable further improvement of quality and reduction in assembly time. Above all, the interface design, and product design and integration procedure get a position to evolve to PLM system at the right time. Now, coming to the area, I have some suggestions. Some suggestions I'm going to give you. 5-point vision. 5-point vision, based on my experience, I thought of sharing with you. 5-point vision for the tools, die and mold industry and the economic leader. Based on my discussion with industry, the industry experts and practitioners, I have evolved a 5-point vision for the tools, die and mold industry, which would be critical milestone for the national economic. Let me share this with all of you friends. Your questions, which I made to you. The industry should aspire to grow from the present. I understand you are working about 17,000 crore size. You must go to 35,000 crores by 2020. Must have a dream. Must work for it. Nearly double. The economic growth should be there. Visual area. That means design focus, high design CNC. Second one, advanced product technology such as nanotechnology and robotics should be encouraged across the world. You have to absorb this new technology. Third one, product quality should be enhanced to international standards with zero-based principles, such as just in time with continuous improvements on the shop floor. The next one, the sector should be able to emerge as a net exporting industry by 2020 by understanding and tackling the international industrial needs. Industry should forge at least 20 unique partnerships with the technological and the management institutions across India to promote design and run industry-specific courses to generate next generation of technology leadership, the tool and designs. In conclusion, dear friends, I have seen 3 Gs which have taken shape in a mission and realization this time. One is space program of ISRO, and second one, agri program of Defense Research and Development Organization. And third program is PRA, providing adequate amenities in the rural area, becoming a national vision. Of course, these 3 programs succeeded in the midst of many challenges and problems. I'm not going to talk about all those. But I have worked in all these three areas. I would like to convey to you what I have learned on leadership from these three programs, because every area, whether manufacturing or its subset, tools and die manufacturing, and I want to convey to you what I have learned on leadership from these three programs. That means you have to develop a leadership quality. What I learned was, leader must have a vision. When you are doing today, day-to-day work today in die design, or chip design, or system design, you must think of how robot is going to change your design, how nanotechnology is going to change your design, and what type of system you need for that. Second one, leader must have a passion to transform the vision into action. Like our metro, Delhi Metro, how Delhi Metro, 2 million people in Kerala. It's a leader must have a passion to transform the vision into action. Leader must be able to travel in an unknown. Never or she never travels in the path already what people have made. You have to make a new way of thinking, new way of design, new way of product. Leader must know how to manage success. Only success, no problem. You will be enjoyed. But failure first. You do serious work. You want to escape failures. But you should know how to manage success and failures. Leader must have a courage to take decisions. If you don't take decisions, then you are not a leader. The leader must have a courage to take decisions. Some hundreds of decisions when you take, few decisions will go wrong. Doesn't matter. But you take an important decisions. Leaders should know nobility in management. This is a very important point. Each one of you, when you are a leader in your area, you also should have a nobility in management, in treating people. The leader action should be transparent. Government should be transparent. The last but the most, leader must work with integrity and succeed. Repeat with me. I will. Repeat with me. I will work with integrity and succeed with it. Very tough job. For success to all the missions, friends, it is essential to have creative leaders. Creative leadership means exercising the vision to change the traditional role from the commander to coach, manager to mentor, from director to delegator, from one who demands respect to one who facilitates respect. For a vibrant nation for India, the important test will be the generation of number of creative leaders who will pioneer integrated national. I am sure, as the leaders of vital industry of the across, you will be following such exemplary leadership principles. With these words, I inaugurate the 9th Dry and Mold India International Exhibition and wish all of you the best wishes for success. Thank God. My lecture, okay, this lecture, whatever I talk today, www. Okay? You look at it, you send questions, okay? Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir. May I request a small token of our affection in your honor to be presented to I request Mr. Kalyanpur and Mr. Rachana to please give the honors.
अरे बीच में मत आओ बैठ जाओ, बैठ के इसमें बिठाओ, सबको बिठाओ।
So you are a missile man for millions and millions of us, but you are also a mission man for more people. And we will now want you to be known as a mission man since you have given us that mission. And we promise that we will try our very best to ensure that each of the things that we asked us to do is done. Talking about mission, APRA and its team has worked on this show just like a mission, overcoming several odds, overriding the obstacles, conquering the difficult times. Team APRA has made sure that they have put together a very, very grand and successful diamond media show. To talk more about it, their energy is actually infectious. To talk more about it, I now request Mr. P. Executive Director APRA, to come on the stage and share his views.
I think as short as possible. I know all of you are keen to go back to your stalls. My colleagues on the dais and my esteemed audience of the dais. It's important that we are all well been having Dr. Kalam here, and it is important to know that APRA is on the verge of celebrating its silver jubilee next year. The necessary awareness creation is of importance for the growth of our industry. And your presence here was set the right tone for it. This has been brought out very well, loud and clear through the subject chosen by you for the keynote address today. You have given the so-called perceived industry as a backyard of our country, a dose of adrenaline for the growth and struggling against the various odds. We hope the media reaches out to the right corridors of power to get it the due recognition this industry needs, appropriate to the nurturing the spirit of its healthy growth. We would be extremely happy that the future of this industry would be contributing to the development of the future manufacturing vision and policy which our government is vision, and we would be worthwhile playing a big role in making India the manufacturing hub. With these few words, I would end my speech and call it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Srinath. Now, the strength of the association solely relies on its leader. Stronger the leader, better the association is. And APRA, by all scales of measurement, is a very, very strong association. To talk about its strength and to deliver its concluding remarks, may I now invite the President, the leader of APRA, Mr. S. C. Kalyankar, to talk to us.
I will now proceed with the present task of the vote of thanks. We profusely thank our chief guest, Dr. Kalam, for having graced his inauguration of 9th IMOD India International Exhibition, and also for his thought-provoking keynote address. Mr. Deepak Barani, for his keenness in following Talma in the Ginu IC MP program. When now the probably started. After this exhibition will be there in the morning.
ऑडियो हम लोग ऑडियो वाले नहीं हैं.
Mr. Rai, in giving us the details of World Bank project for the expansion and upgradation of the cool-room network in the country. There was upgradation technology support. Beyond that, we also need a lot of money because to meet the gap of demand and supply, we need to invest at least 7,000 crores, and that has to come from somewhere.
Saying that's all.
Who is saying that?
7,000, that's all he's saying.
7,000 crores, not rupees.
That's all.
We thank Network 18, our media partner, for overall managing this inauguration show, and all the special invitees, exhibitors, and entire audience for making the inaugural event successful. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, Mr. Kalyanpur. Now, as I am given to understand, a lot of you have questions for Dr. Kalam. I ask you to open for Q&A. Yeah, including me.
You can media questions. What can be thinking? Will it be election? Right? You be the one. So I have basically technology and concern with industry. So if you guys ask 2 or 3 questions on technology and media, technology and no, I don't need that. I need only this one. So I want to ask you, you can ask me some question on technology and media. I will be very happy to answer 3 questions. Okay? Number 1, who will ask? Nobody. No question. No. Anybody else? Here, media. Yeah.
Question from media.
Yeah, find the question.
So my question to you is, so you mentioned and gave suggestions for very successful iron ore industry in emerging market like India. Can you suggest a roadmap for innovation and technology development as well?
See, I personally believe, what is driving a national development is powered by competitiveness. Competitiveness is powered by knowledge. Knowledge is powered by technology. Technology is powered by innovation. Answer to your question, technology and innovation are 2 important components for the national economic development. Okay?
कैमरा नहीं निकाला, तेरे को बोला था तू उसको फॉलो करना, मैं एंड तक लूँगा, जल्दी निकाल कैमरा निकाल और उसके पीछे फॉलो कर, सब निकाल दे सब। हाँ, सोलो निकाल। मैंने 3 बार वार्न किया था, इधर है 5 मिनट तक आराम से निकल पहले बाहर छोड़ो फटाफट क्लिक निकालो वो गेट तक पहुँचने तक है ना खबर पड़े जाए और टकला ने बताया नहीं हाई शॉट है ना
So ladies and gentlemen, as we stay in
हो
Mumbai,
गया
every time there's one more quick announcement. Has anyone found a gap?
कट
All right, thank you. Have a nice day.
कट खाली एक गली ना कुछ है अरे चलो चल ट्राई
सर बाकी छोड़ो मैं ले जाता हूँ.
मैं क्या पूरी मार के आगे बढ़े जैसे मीडिया के लिए मुझे तो मीडिया के लिए तो इसका मतलब आगे जाने का किसके भी बीच में है